Hey guys, how are you doing? After the latest iOS 26 update, many users were noticing the issue with their incoming call history, the recent calls tab. When you navigate inside a particular call detail, you are unable to access the block contact feature. So this is a bug clearly present in iOS 26 earlier versions. With iOS 26.3 beta version, I'm able to see that this problem has been addressed. Don't update to the iOS 26.3 beta version at present. We are expecting in next 2 to 3 weeks the official release is going to happen. So to fix this bug temporarily, you can try the basic troubleshooting steps like restarting your iPhone once by pressing the volume down button and the side button for a few seconds, and you will see the slide to power off on the screen to turn off the iPhone, and then you can press and hold the side button for a couple of seconds to turn on your iPhone. So this simple restart will help to fix the problem temporarily. If the problem is happening again and again, you're unable to access the block contact feature for a particular contact, then my suggestion is to wait a little more time till the iOS 26.3 officially rolls out. You can update to the iOS 26.2.1, which is the current stable version. That can also help to fix this block contact issue not appearing on iPhone for many users. Just stay in the stable version, the latest iOS 26.2.1. If you're using the older iOS 26.1 versions, then it is possible to experience this issue. Like within the phone app, the recent call history, you are unable to access the block contact option. Navigate inside the contacts, search for that specific contact, then you can scroll down to the last and you may be able to access the block contact feature. This is a temporary workaround, like navigating inside the contact section and searching and going inside a specific saved contact to block it. But the upcoming iOS update will definitely be able to fix this problem. So you will be able to block iPhone contacts normally from the phone app recent call history page. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.